I am Dr. Kupusamy. Here I am going to take about convolutional process. In mathematical representation, convolutional process is defined as overlapping of two functions in which one function is sliding over the another function. So from these two functions, we are making the dot product to produce the output. That output is called a feature map. So this whole process is called pre-processing and pre-processing convolutional process. Here I took the binary image of this grayscale image of this bird and producing the 6 cross 6 binary format of binary format of this grayscale image. So this will be considered as a function 1, and second function is filter function. Here mostly filters are considered as a square matrix. This is also called kernel. So these are the parameters has to be learned by the system for the convolutional process. For example, here I shown one is a diagonal filter and another one is vertical filter, but there is more number of filters available in a practice. So here function one is binary format. Function one is binary format, so 6 cross 6 image, and the second one is filter function. This is 3 cross 3. I'm using the stride one. Stride is nothing but we are moving the filter by one column position from left to right. So we are making this. We are producing the feature. We are producing the feature output, feature map for the first row of first column by sliding over the function. By sliding over the function on this square binary format of red color. Binary format of square matrix. It is shown by red color. Then we are moving over the stride one. So then so moving over the slide one. So here the second now sliding window moves to the second column to fourth column. Again we are multiplying the dot product of filter function and binary image of this selected window. Then it produces the output as -1. Then again we are sliding over the right side. Right side here again this produces the output of -3. Then again we are moving into the right side, it produces -1. Like that, when we are moving into the moving by using stride one, we are getting output as 4 cross 4 dimensional feature map. Here we can calculate the dimension feature map dimensional by using the two functions dimensions, that is n cross n is 6 cross 6 is the 6 cross 6 is the function 1. Here we are making the 6, and filter is having 3 cross 3, so f is 3. So n minus 3, 6 minus 3 plus 1, we are getting the 4 cross 4 feature map. Now we produced the feature map for filter 1. Then we can go for another one, filter 2. Here this is vertical filter. Again we are using the we are using stride 1 to move over the function, and here we are producing here this minus 1 is for the filter 2's feature map. So background is feature 1, filter 1's feature map. Here we are producing the feature map for filter 2 for the same grayscale image of bed. So like this we can produce the convolutional image here. So here we got forming the two filters 4 cross 4 images. So this is for grayscale image. Suppose if you want to do it for color image, then we can do this one. So here whenever we are taking the color image, it will be RGB, so red color and blue color. So we are producing the binary format of this grayscale, a color image, 3 channels RGB. Then we are using the filters. For 3 channels we need for three colors we need single filter into 3 channels. Then we are producing the feature map like this. So this is, so here we are having the three feature maps. One is for red, one is for green, one is for blue. So from the summary, convolutional provides exact image with less dimension, so it reduces the computational time. So thank you.